The film is being directed by an American filmmaker. So, while did you find any similarities or differences between an Indian and a foreign filmmaker? Were there any similarities or differences?
Oh, there's a lot of difference. He's so white. We don't have white directors like that in our country. That's number one difference. But the similarity is that if you are brilliant, you can be in any part of the world and you will be brilliant. Chuck Russell is brilliant. I loved the fact that he was so cool with the animals. He had decided that he'll make a movie which is family, adventure, action. He's delivered that. The way he was with the animals, the way he was with the beautiful creatures, he was fabulous. He's brilliant.
So how did you guys feel?
Yeah, I don't think even I feel like Vidyut said that for me, emotions is such thing which doesn't have any barrier. So I think Chuck sir knew what he wanted all the time. So when we were like preparing for a film, so we had workshops and we had a training with the elephants and everything. So the basic thing was emotions. So what he taught us that you have to be very pure with your emotions when you're going towards any animal, whether it is elephant, dog or a cat.
So what was your emotion when you went towards the elephant?
So initially, first of all, I was very scared. So I've been with so many animals in my real life, including dog and cat, but facing an elephant is a big thing for me. So first of all, I was very confident, like yeah, I can handle it. But when I saw that elephant in front of my eyes for the first time, of course I cried. I cried and I asked Chuck sir that sir.
यार ये लड़कियाँ हाथी देख के रोती हैं, सर पे क्राउन आता है तब रोती हैं. Like, is that the only emotion you guys have? Really, like, I cried. Obviously, I cried. That doesn't like. Why did you cry?
I cried because
You were scared.
No, not at all. I've seen that majestic animal in front of me for the first time, and the thought came in my mind that how can you kill such an amazing animal just for the tusk? See, how could you do that? And I was feeling so glad that I'm not part of those.
Yes.
I'm not going to call them. I'm not going to give any name to them. Yeah, exactly. So when I saw her, like I was so happy. I was happy that next 2 months I'm going to be with this beautiful elephant.
So how did you befriend them, like, all of them, with the elephants?
How did you
Befriend them. Like how did you?
them?
Yeah.
Just feed them.
Yeah.
What to do with an elephant? You feed them and they'll be your friends.
work according to their convenience, give them the priority. उनको भाव दो अच्छे से.
They need love.
Yeah.
I have
Everybody
fed,
needs love, darling.
I've fed them I think 3,000 apples a day. They don't get tired. They can eat.
And they can eat.
Like sugarcane, apples,
Sunflower seeds.
So that was a great experience.
Yeah, of course. Absolutely.
I've never met any creature which can eat so much. Like, no human. She is like second.
After elephant is Asha.
She eats thepla, vada pav,
Samosa. Dabeli? Samosa?
all lies.
10 gulab jam at one
They
time.
don't.